Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Safir crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in safir.com and click on enter. After that, you can see that Safir has been transitioned to Zera. To obtain and verify your Zera credentials, you can log into Safir link, which is here. Click on this link. Then you will be directed to login page where you need to type in a username on this field here and a password here. After typing in your password, you can click on login button to log into your Safir crypto account. If you have forgotten your password, click on forget password link and follow the procedures to recover it. You can also log in with an authentication app on your phone by scanning this QR code here. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.